So this is our project, the Sentimental Aura Podium. We were intrigued with the idea of stories having some tangible value, and it's also hard to get people to talk about stories. They usually come up organically. And so one thing that we thought about was objects, and objects are really easy to talk about because even if it's not an interesting story, they all do have a story. So one of our favorite things in this project was getting our classmates to put an object onto the podium, talk about what that object was and what it meant to them, and then we generated an experience and a souvenir ticket for them based on that story.
You want to share something?
Okay, so this dinosaur doll is something that was given to me by my grandmother. I carry it with me always. It's very large and clunky, but I still love it. It gives me a lot of reassurance and reminds me of her and how much I love her. So I tell my story. My grandma actually did not give me this doll, I'm not gonna lie.
So I'll explain a little bit about what's happening. So as you can see, the lights change and the ripple mechanism also changes. So what these lights represent are actually semantic themes that represent the emotional significance that Ben has about this dinosaur teddy his granny gave him. So blue means comfort and reassurance. Red means loved ones, so our family, our friends, and oftentimes pets. And there's a bunch of other themes that you can actually view on this souvenir ticket here. So Ben, you want to read them out and see what percentages you were given?
Sure.
Yeah.
So along with a picture of us, because the camera's facing this way, but it would be the dinosaur. It looks like loved ones was the top one. Cues of reassurance was big. As I mentioned, I carry this with me, and it's something that means a lot to me. And then there's a practical utility aspect to it as well, which
So yeah, that's there you go. And then you just get to, the user just gets to take this with them and I guess put them in a wallet or reflect on this item that oftentimes we carry sentimental objects with us everywhere we go, and we never get the chance to reflect on it and just appreciate what this thing means to us. So this is our robot. It's all about human connection, human reflection, and creating an interactive experience about sentiment and emotion and meaning. So thanks guys, thanks for watching.